back at you with another banger with the Kia Optima, you know, Black Panther. And I'm about to show y'all this new lip kit that I got installed. Go a couple places, let y'all see. Do a little ride along, man. It's gonna be a fun day. She needs to be watching. Dirty. That being said, we just over here getting a little gas right now, a little petrol, so we can keep it pushing. You already know. When I got this car, I was actually at the car lot. Looking at a Impala SS, a Malibu LTZ, what else? I think there was a couple Hyundai Sonatas, a Charger SXT and a Charger RT, but I don't really care for Chargers or anything Mopar, honestly. Just not my type of car. This one got so much speed, like when I tell you I literally haven't done any performance-wise anything. It's all been cosmetics or muffler delete or oil catch can, and that's really it, other than with the basic maintenance upkeeping, coil packs, spark plugs, oil change, transmission flush, radiator flush, you know, the basic upkeeps of a car. That was the only things that I've really done to the car so far. Sounds amazing, man. I don't even have a straight cat all the way back. I just did it from the mufflers and 2 straight pipes and the tips. Like, man, this thing rips every time. You floor it and I'm out of there. As you can see, Google definitely lies, because it says this car gets from 0 to 60 in about 6.7, 7.4 seconds. And as y'all just seen, that was nowhere near 6 seconds or 7 seconds. It was kind of around, I'd say 3.5, 4.5 seconds. So, and that's without any performance mods to this car again, you guys. No performance mods added. It's just, this car rips every time. You floor it and you gone. Like, that's another reason I chose this car over all of those cars that I just mentioned. The Camaro RS, the Charger SXT, the Impala SS, the Malibu LTZ, the Sonatas that was up there. I think they had a Hyundai Sonata inline. Like, I chose this car over all those. And I gotta say, I probably made the better decision out of all of those. Once I add these tunes from stage 1 to stage 3, the big turbo, the headers, the intercooler, the blow-off valves and everything, and get it tuned properly. I already run it on 93, as you can see in the video, but once I get it tuned properly, oh man, this car is gonna be a beast. I probably got like 310 wheel horsepower right now, but I need to get it to at least 500, 600. Like this car fun to drive, man. Like crazy fun. I don't think I had this much fun driving any other car that I own, to be honest with you. And I've had multiple cars, I've had a Jaguar XJ8, I've had a Cadillac CTS. My father has a Cadillac CTS V. I drive that car sometimes, and that car is fun as hell too, but I'm telling you, man, ain't none of those cars as fun as driving the Kia Optima SX TGDI. This car is just different, man. That front wheel pull, even though I would like to have a rear wheel car just to do burnouts and shit, but as far as takeoff, nah, I'm going with her right here. She don't never fail to impress. Like, she's gonna give you everything she got every time. Every time. But yeah, you guys should definitely leave comments and questions that you guys would want me to answer below. I can definitely get to you guys. Like I said, I got a car show this Saturday. What is this Saturday? I think today's what, Wednesday? It's the 18th. So I got a show this Saturday, the 21st, Lexington, Kentucky, 9 o'clock. And then I also have another one, March the 24th to 27th in Atlanta, Georgia. It's gonna be me and a couple of guys from here in Kentucky. Bad Habits Car Club. We're gonna be there, showing up to show out, show you guys some love and everything. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a description to my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, all of it in the video. I hope to hear from you guys soon, man. Like I said, hopefully I have some sponsorships the next time y'all hear from me in the video or see me doing anything, adding anything to the car. I have some sponsorships. But yeah, man, let's keep this movement going. Let's keep the positivity going. Let's keep growing, man. made it to one of my little chill spots. About to show y'all this lip kit. This thing looks badass with this lip kit on, man. I'm talking badass, dude. Got the lip kit at Auto Wheel 1. She needs a wash too. Got the side skirts on there. Also from Auto Wheel 1. And the rear. Also from Auto Wheel 1. And these tips I got from DC Sports. Those motherfuckers sound amazing. But yeah, this lip kit is kind of really easy to install. Somebody hit my shit the other day. Gotta get that dent fixed now. But yeah, that lip kit was definitely easy to install. Just a couple screws. I actually got it from eBay. Not too much hassle. But I'm looking to actually add some more stuff to it now. Like I said, I got the muffler delete. I'm probably gonna end up deleting my other two resonators. Get those out of there. Got an oil catch can on. I'm looking to do from stage 1 all the way to stage 3. I need all 3 laps, like lap 3 tunes. If not lap 3, I'm gonna go to JB4 tuning. Either or, I'm looking to get a couple more sponsors on here. I've been in contact with Mishimoto, KSR Performance, Toyo, a couple more. But I'm just trying to get a couple more sponsors in, get this car built, fully built. I got a show that I'm going to Saturday. Planning on going to at least 15, 20 more shows this year. I'm going to Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, I think March the 24th through the 27th for a car show. Cosmetics are almost done. I do want to add a wide body kit on here. Maybe some Forgiatos or some kind of rims, you know. I really want to go with the sport look. I'm looking at a bigger turbo, intercoolers, headers, fuel injectors. So I'm probably gonna keep my stock intake. I've been doing a lot of research. Everybody's been saying I might as well keep the stock intake that's on here because it's already a cool air intake, and the aftermarket is gonna be a short ram, which is it's a cool air intake, but technically it's pushing hot air into it. So I'm probably gonna stick with the original intake, just add the intercoolers, blow off valves, headers, injectors, a bigger turbo, remove the resonators, probably go to a straight CAC-BAT system. Yeah, man, I'm looking to do a lot of stuff to this car, especially the tune. The tune is probably gonna be before I get the turbos and everything else, so by the time I do get the turbos, I'll be tuned, and if I need to get tuned again, it won't be as much of a process since it's already been tuned. But yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. I love this car, man. It's Kia Optima SX TGDI Black Panther. As you can see, you got the Black Panther right here. This car is motherfucking amazing, man. Yeah, you guys should comment in below with any questions that you have, and I'll be sure to make another video to answer those questions as well. But as of now, I'm really trying to get this car fully built before the end of 2023. I got a lot coming in store for you guys. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And also, I'll be putting in the description, well, a link to the name of my Instagram. below in the comments or in the link, so you guys could go follow me on Instagram as well, and keep supporting the brand and the build, which is what I'm doing with this car. I appreciate the love so far. I've been getting a lot of love throughout the car community, and just hope to keep growing with you guys, man. This experience has been fun so far, and hope to keep building up with you. I hope to get my own garage soon, and you know, have even more content coming out. Hopefully I can get me a Stinger next. That's probably gonna be my next car, a Stinger or a Camaro, one of the two. I ain't really a big Mopar guy, so I ain't really interested in getting a Charger or a Challenger or a Chrysler, even a Trackhawk. I'm not really interested in either one of those. But a Stinger or Camaro, that's definitely my next car. I'm definitely going for one of those two after I get this car completely built. Once I get this car completely built, tuned, every part that I want added onto it, I'm definitely going to shoot for one of those. A little picture of me and my wife. Keep that with me at all times too. But yeah, man, I'm about to shoot over here and let you guys see some more of the car while I was driving.